Before you can join the Fame Federation, you'll need an Identity Wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't already have one, you can use these links to download one from the Google Play or App Store, following the steps within the app. This will serve as your secure key for accessing the Fame ecosystem. Next, let's onboard your organization to the Fame Federation. Start by reviewing our Fame onboarding procedure to make sure you're prepared. Then, open the Fame Federation application and click Start Federation. Fill in your organization's information in the application form and submit it by clicking Apply. A verification email will arrive shortly in your organization's email inbox. Open it and click the link to confirm your account. Once confirmed, return to the Fame Federation application and log in with your credentials. In your control panel, you can track your application status under My Request. After a short time, your status will change to Approved, and your organization will officially be a federated member of Fame. With your organization approved, it's time to add users. Log back into the Fame Federation application and open the User Management section from your control panel. Click the plus button to create a new user and fill in their details. Then click Invite. You can repeat this step as many times as needed to add all your team members. Each user will now receive an onboarding invitation by email. Users should open the invitation and follow the link to claim their credentials. They will be prompted to enter the one-time password provided in a separate email, and then click Claim to continue. Next, users can open their Identity Wallet app. If this is your first time using it, follow the app's instructions to create your wallet and set your PIN code. Back in your browser, scan the QR code shown on the page. Click Yes, Continue to recognize the Fame identity, and then click Accept to add your credentials into your wallet. Now that you're onboarded, let's access the Fame Data Marketplace. Visit the login page and, using your mobile identity wallet, scan the QR code shown on screen. Share the requested information in your app and you'll be logged in automatically. With that, you're ready to explore the full features of the Fame Data Marketplace.